Let's now move on to the third part of pre-processing data in Scikit-Learn. Let's start with the imputation of missing values. Missing values cannot be processed by algorithms. However, imputers can be used to handle the missing data in the predictive model dataset. So, in the example given on screen, we import simple imputer, which substitutes the NaN values with mean values. Next, let's learn about categorical variables. A categorical variable is a variable that can take a limited and fixed number of possible values, assigning each individual or unit of observation to a particular group based on some qualitative property. For example, consider the roll of a six-sided die with probable outcomes of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Another example can be demographic information about a population, such as gender, age, and status of a disease. To deal with the categorical variables, encoding schemes such as ordinal encoding and one-hot encoding are used. Let's look at each of these in detail. The first encoding scheme is ordinal encoding. It assigns each unique value to a different variable. It also assumes that the categories are ordered as high being greater than medium and medium being greater than low. In the example given on screen, the variables low, medium, and high are assigned values 1, 2, and 3, respectively. The second encoding scheme is one-hot encoding. This adds extra columns to the original data to show if every possible value is present. In the example shown on screen, we will first import the required libraries before loading the dataset into a pandas data frame. The next step is to create a one-hot encoder object and then fit and convert the data. It will return the array version of the transformed data, which we will print. Then, we will print the one-hot encoded categories to determine the column labels. We will then add these columns as separate columns in the data frame.